everyone, I decided to post this video and there's two parts to it. One, I'm just unboxing my new putty, my new putty order from Scentsible by Design, and then in another part of it, the last part, I'm going to be unbagging this bag and showing you guys what's inside. Amy went ahead and sent me some of the new Wax 2.0 after watching my previous video so I could give it a try. So let's get started with the unbaggings. If you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. Okay, let's go. We have another package from Amy from Scentsible by Design from Etsy. She sells cover minders, wax, putty, all the different types of cool things for your diamond painting needs. Let's take a look to see what's in here. I'm excited. This is my second order from Amy's shop. And that's it. So, first we have, I ordered banana. Oh my god, look at this cute duck. Banana putty. Smell test. It smells like banana. Banana and something else, I feel. And then here is root beer. Look how cute this. I love that there's stickers on these jars. So let's open this up. Oh my god, this smells like root beer. Seriously, root beer. Oh, I could just eat this. I know, you're not supposed to eat it. Don't eat it. I'll put a link to my previous video where I unboxed and tried out her putty and waxes. And I'll also put a link to Amy's Etsy shop in the description below. And then finally, so this is my second order from her. The main reason I ordered from her was because I wanted this cover minder. Not even to use as a cover minder, but just because it's like so amazing. So here it comes with another magnet. Oops. And I like how she put like a little slip of paper in between the magnets. I never thought of doing that before. So here's the back end, and then you just put, oops, make sure that the magnet isn't polarized. And oh, this is made in resin, and there's some sparkles. It's really pretty. And look how big this is. This is pretty big for a cover minder. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a cover minder. I literally might just use this as like a display piece on my desk because I love it so much. It's one of those planchettes from a Ouija board. So, you know, when you like do your Ouija and then it goes to the letter, if you believe in that stuff, that's what you would use. That's like what this design is based on. Obviously, I'm not going to use it with a planchette as a planchette or using it on a Ouija board because I don't have one and Ouija boards kind of scare me. But this is beautiful. Look at it. It's so sparkly. Can I turn on the light? Does that help? Look how sparkly that is. So pretty. Okay, so that's my order from Scentsible by Design. Hey y'all, I got another package from Amy at Scentsible by Design. This one was just sent to me. It's of the Wax 2.0. I did not purchase this wax. She sent it to me. Let's take a look. In my previous unboxing video or unbagging video with Amy's Wax Scentsible by Design, I did a test. And that was the Wax 2.1, or 2.1, 1.0. Wow, she sent a lot. And so she said she would send me Wax 2.0 so I could try it out. Oh, look how cute these stickers are. So another Campino. Coconut. Let's smell coconut. Oh my god, coconut smells good. This is apple. It doesn't really smell like apple. It doesn't really smell like anything. But this one is strawberry shortcake. Ooh. Okay, this one makes me want strawberry shortcake. And this one is passion fruit. Passion fruit and apple don't really smell like anything, but it might be that I need to use it in order, like, pick around in it in order to get that scent out. I love Campinos, just so you know. So that's cute that it came with that. So let's try out her new wax. Let's find a pen. Do I have a pen? We can use this nice little pen. This is a chunky pen. They will be available in my Etsy shop shortly, probably later this week. So get ready for that. I'm just taking out existing wax that I have in the chunky pen, and let's give it a shot. Let's try apple. Okay. So what you want to do is basically scratch the surface with your pen and rotate your pen as you're filling it. And then use your finger and squish out any excess. And you can also wipe away any excess from the sides of the drill, or the bit, whatever you want to call this placer, single placer. So we're going to try apple, and let us, oh no, ah. So I'm actually working on my Chuck Pinson for the Chuck Along. This is Simple Country, and we can do this blue. If you can see, I'll bring it down more. We're going to do this blue dotty symbol. Let me just find the wax for it, or the drills for it. I can't even talk today. Why am I filming a video if I cannot talk? I have no idea. Let's pour some into this tray. And let's give it a go. So we have apple of Scentsible by Design Wax 2.0. Ooh, listen to that click. Can you hear that click? Satisfying. This is, wow. No residue whatsoever. Oops. Okay, there is some residue coming out of the single placer, but I'm just cleaning that up with my finger. Wow. Already, like, I can tell a difference from wax 1.0 to 2.0. Apparently all the wax she sells in her shop right now have been converted to 2.0, so that's awesome. So if you do order from her shop, you will be getting wax 2.0. There is that satisfying click for most of the drills I'm laying down. So I was diamond painting a little bit with the single placer, and then I was like, hey, let's try a multi-placer, because I was like, okay, this is getting tedious using the single placer. So let's try this strawberry shortcake. We're going to try and fill my multi-placer with this wax. I don't know if it's made for a multi-placer, but let's try it anyway. I'm just going to continue like kind of doing a scooping motion and pushing it into the multi-placer with my finger. Pushing it in and kind of redistributing it. Hopefully you can see that. Getting rid of any excess with my finger. Let's try this out. Okay, so this is Strawberry Shortcake Wax 2.0 on a 4-placer. Ooh. Hello, wax. Hello. Yes, I'm digging this wax. There's no residue, and like you would think using it in a multi-placer there would be a bunch of residue, but there's not. Just move those over. Yet again, Amy never ceases to amaze me. This wax is awesome. Do I like it more than the putty? Do I? I don't know. I really like putty though. After my last video, I went ahead and placed another order of her putty, which I had the unboxing for in the same video. I think I'm going to put it in this video. So I really was like, I love the putty more than the wax, but now I'm like, it might be a close tie for me. The putty is more of like a sticky tack. If you had to compare it to something, it's kind of like that sticky tack stuff. And the wax is more like just normal pink wax, but better and smells better. This one, like the strawberry shortcake, I can really smell it when I'm diamond painting. Maybe because the lid is off, but I can smell it. Okay, this drill is not sitting correctly in the multi-placer. I'm loving this Wax 2.0. Just loving it. Okay, so when I slid I tried to straighten out the drills, and so I ended up sliding around the drill or the multi-placer, and then there was some residue left on the drills, but not a lot. Listen to that clicking sound. Sure, satisfying. So yeah, I would say I really love their putty. The putty hasn't changed according to Amy. The putty hasn't changed at all. It's just the wax that is like the 2.0. And from first trials, like you can see in this video, the wax seems to be performing really well. And I like it. Like, it's very sticky. There's no residue, like barely any residue, except for when I was sliding around the pens or the multi-placer. It works well in the multi-placer, and it works well in the single placer as well. So I think I really like this wax. I would highly recommend it. This is her Wax 2.0. So if you do order from her shop, which I'll put a link to below, you will get Wax 2.0. And thank you so much, Amy, for sending me this. And I still really love my cover minder, which you would have seen an unboxing for. My cover minder is so amazing. I have like this magnetic filing, or I have like this metal filing cabinet next to me, so I'm actually using it as like a decorative magnet. Not what it was intended for, but it does work as a decorative magnet, and I'm super stoked on it. But I'm super excited. I think my addiction is real. I will be probably placing another order for more wax and more putty. I don't know how fast I'm going to go through these containers, but I just want more, okay? I just want more. I'm just going to order more, okay? So just accept me for who I am. Sorry if I enabled you to buy more wax in this video. Not sorry, but thank you so much. Check out Amy's Scentsible by Design shop, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe. I would love it if you became part of my hive. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis. Talk to you soon. Bye!